Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can turn on the sound in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So what you need to do is really simple. You just be in Modern Warfare, and now just go here to options and just click here F10, and you're gonna select mute sound enabled, because when you're in general and you're gonna select show mute sound widget, when I'm pressing F10 you can't see it, but when I'm going to press enabled and you're gonna press F10, you're gonna see it is like this. So thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down in the comments. Anyway, so just press F9. Have a great day and goodbye.